Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Just wanted to keep you guys up to date with what's going on with the NASDAQ market. So it looks like Tesla, even after the sell-off that it had yesterday, there's more selling pressure that's being added. I do want to let you guys know that although on the 1 minute it looks like it is beginning to recover, the idea of lower highs is something that you guys have to entertain, right? On the 5 minute time frame, we can clearly see that this thing has been forming lower highs and lower lows. And if it does break below that EMA and continues to sell off, then again, even though the NASDAQ market has slightly recovered, this just means that it's going to go right back down again, which is why I exactly just announced my update on a position that I just took on SQQQ. Again, just because I take a position doesn't mean that it's going to go according to plan. I've taken many poor trades, but overall, again, I like to slow things down, especially being able to see on the 5 minute time frame, looking at the overall NASDAQ market, and especially understanding that most of the market originally was selling off yesterday due to Tesla news. Tesla is looking weak, and if we do begin to make lower lows below that 166, 167 price point, then we're most likely headed right back down to 164. And if that's the case, then that is definitely going to be in favor of SQQQ. There are some companies that are reporting earnings today, such as AT&T, and then Procter & Gamble reports earnings tomorrow, but nothing too significant in comparison to everything else that's going on. When it comes down to, let me see if I can pull up the series of economic reports. So one thing that I wanted to pay attention to, or I would encourage you to look into, is today is Thursday. So the series of reports that were released were the initial claims and continuing claims, which have to do with the unemployment rate, right? How many people are losing their job? How many people are asking for unemployment checks? And then one of the last thing is the housing starts. How many people are actually building? Is it showing economic expansion, and or is it showing that, you know, the economy is actually slowing down? So with that being said, it's still relatively a very slow day, right? We've said it before, and we'll say it again. It's been a very common habit that, hey, if the market opens up in the green, it ends up going back into the red. If the market opens up in the red, it ends up going back into the green, right? Same thing with today. It ended up pulling on back, showing signs of a support here at 315, ended up making a recovery. Now it's looking overbought, so now I'm excited to see if it actually ends up getting rejected, or if it goes back to retest that 320 resistance level. On the 5 minute time frame, again, it really slows things down. So if you're trying to avoid making impulsive decisions, 5 minute time frame is the one that I would recommend. Ask yourself, is it making higher highs, or is it getting ready to break below that moving average to sell right back off to that 315, right? Allow direction to present itself, allow opportunity to present itself, save those day trades. The past week has been absolutely trash, and I know based off of the comments that I've been getting that a lot of you guys agree with me, so I just wanted to keep today's update super short and sweet. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to message me via Discord, and that's that first link in the description down below. And friendly reminder, if you want to be able to watch me trade live in the morning, then again, that's that second link in the description down below. It's $150 off. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and yes, you do get 5,000 entries for the GTR giveaway. If you want to learn more about the giveaway, that's that fourth link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.